Congratulations, you're about to make a beautiful Wedbox photo book. In this video I will guide you step by step to help you make the book in the fastest possible way. If you want, you can stop this video now, go back to another tab and open up the photobook editor and come back and restart this video once you see a login page. Now you see a login page, and you might as well create an account straight away because it makes it a lot easier that you can save your book and come back and work on it later. If you are a Wedbox photo app user, you have to be aware that you cannot use your Wedbox login on this page. You'll have to create a new account that is only for the photobook editor. Stop this video now, go back and create your account and come back once your account has been created. Okay, you're doing great. Before you start importing your photos into the editor, make sure you have sorted them out. It's so much easier to sort your pictures on the computer than in the photobook editor. Stop this video now, go back to the editor and upload your photos and come back once you have uploaded the photos. Don't be alarmed if your pictures look a little bit blurry in the editor. This happens because the editor is using a lower quality of the pictures to make the editor as fast as possible to work with. If you have uploaded quality pictures, then the book will also look amazing once you get the book. The next function I would like to show you is a function called autofill. To see the autofill function, you have to click on Advanced Editing right here. The autofill function will automatically fill out all the pictures into the book, and you will just have to adjust a little bit and then the book will be done. Pause this video now, go back and try the autofill function, or simply drag a couple of pictures into your book and come back once you have done that. Good, and now I will show you some very cool ways you can edit the photos. If you click one time on a photo, you will see a long list of functions you can add to this photo. It can be shadows, it can be frames, and many other features. If you click 2 times on a photo, you will be able to define which part of this photo should be in the book. And now the final tip. Here, if you click on this button and click on Hide Used Photos, you will only be able to see the photos that are not used in the book, and it will give you an amazing overview about which photos needs to be added into the book. That's it for me. I hope you will have a lot of fun creating your book, and if you have any questions, please write us on support@wedbox.com.